good evening. Indira Shah here. Today I'll be making the Gujarati known tepla, that is methi bhaji tepla. Okay, methi bhaji means fenugreek leaves. This is fresh leaves of fenugreek. I have cut, washed. Okay, here I have taken wheat flour. You take the required wheat flour. I have added haldi, that is turmeric, salt, then this fenugreek leaves, and then this is jaggery and red chili powder. Actually, people of Surat, the Gujaratis of Surat, they add green chili instead of red, but never mind, you can add either green chili paste or the red chili powder. So I have taken red chili powder. Now mix it thoroughly. If you think the fenugreek leaves are less, you can add more. So it gives a good taste. Actually, this is very good, when you go on a tour or a trip for about 8 to 10 days, you can carry this tepla. This will taste very good. You need not have any side dishes, any sabji or anything. Any pickle also will do good with this. I'll take some more leaves. Methi leaves are very good for health. Fenugreek, it reduces the sugar level, they say. Now, to this add a little oil. Add about 3 spoons of oil. And you should make a tight dough. Okay? First, let's mix it thoroughly after adding oil. Once everything is mixed, for wheat flour, I have added turmeric, jaggery, red chili powder, and salt, and the fenugreek leaves. The fenugreek leaves should be cut without the stem. Okay, if there is a stem, then you cannot roll the parota. Now take water little by little. Don't take it at a time, because you wouldn't know whether the water is more or less. So accordingly you can add. Gujaratis usually they make it once in 2 days and keep it. They use it for breakfast or evening snack also they eat. This is any time this can be eaten. So little by little you have to add the water. Keep a thick mat, cloth mat below the plate when you mix, because the plate will not give a jerk. When you make the dough, the plate sometimes jerks. It shifts from this side to that side. So if you put a thick mat, a cloth mat, that will hold the plate. Here, the water is sufficient. See, I have taken very less water. After making the dough, you can rest it for about 15-20 minutes. Or if you want to make it immediately, also you can make. But if you rest it, you get a very soft tepla. Okay, now the dough is ready. Now let us rest this dough for 15 minutes. So I'll come back after 15 minutes. Here, dough is ready. 15 minutes it has rested well. Now make a ball like this. Okay, now flatten it. In the meantime, keep the tawa on the stove. The stove is on, the gas is on. Now let me make the parota. This should not be very thick, not very thin like a paper, like the fulka that we do. Here. See, it should be this thin. Yeah. Okay. Now let the tawa become hot. Only once the tawa becomes hot, you have to put it. Yeah, the tawa is hot. In the meantime, I'll roll the second one. Now do not turn it in a hurry. Okay? This side it should get cooked well, baked well. When you cut the fenugreek leaves, do not add the thick stem. The thin stem is okay. Because if you put the thick stem, then rolling becomes very tough. Rolling the tepla becomes tough. Now take something like this. Here, this side it should be like this. Okay? Yeah. See? Now allow this side also to become little brown. Now you can add oil. Spread the oil. You can press it like this. See, like this. So it gets cooked evenly. This tepla can be eaten with vegetable also. If you have patience to make vegetables, you can. Otherwise, Gujaratis make a sweet pickle known as chundo, ogaru we say, or there are many varieties, Gujarati sweet pickle varieties. So you can eat with that, or even with our South Indian avakai. Avakai also goes well. Or what I do is I just roll it and eat it away. I don't need anything with tepla because already there's bhaji, so you don't need anything. So press like this. You can also use this here. But I find this easier. Now this tepla is over. Now yeah, the second one is also over. Now let me put it in a plate and show you. Yes, methi bhaji tepla is ready. You can just roll it like this, and this can be eaten with chundo. This year in February I made this chundo pickle out of raw mango and sugar. They should be kept under the sun for 7 days till you get the one thread consistency. So this goes very well with this or any sweet pickle or even any khara pickle of your choice. Or if you don't have anything, any green chutneys goes with, or just the plain thepla. And trust me, this really tastes very good. This is a very healthy dish. If you want, you can reduce the oil consumption also. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell button for the notification. So thank you again. Please, whenever you make, give me your sincere feedback. Thank you.